Thank you, Professor Fasli. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for allowing me to speak in this conference. So my name is Durga, and I was asked to relay my experiences and my perspective as to why there should be a Surau built in Sydney. So I was born in Indonesia. My parents decided to come to Australia when I was 4. And I did my schooling in public schooling setting and graduated in a Masters of Primary Teaching in Western Sydney University. Throughout my childhood, my parents have been very active in the Indonesian community, whether it be in the Minang Sayo, in the Side, Ikro, and now my dad in EER, and also my mum in the Indonesian consulate community. And through all these involvements, I was able to meet several people who are now very close friends of mine. But looking back, whenever there was an event by the Minang Sayo community, I felt like I was more forced into doing it, going there, because there wasn't much to entice the youth to come to the events. It was more just a lecture or drama for the ibu-ibu and baba-papa. And the youth were really just looking to see if there's anyone that they know to just hang out with their friends. That's my experience. So I guess the main reason was for a Surau is so that the Minang youth have a place like Tia and Rani has already said, a place to socialize, to come together, not only for worshipping Allah, but also to organize events, to collaborate, become creative, inspire the youth to become leaders and entrepreneurs as well. So I'm part of the Ikra youth as well, and we have a similar place where we can have a halaqah, but also organize events. Me and my friends, one of my friends in the Ikra youth, we've organized several events for the youth, including marriage courses for the youth that want to get married, career days to give insights for the youth that are finishing their high school years, also amazing race style event as well. Even a sister in the youth held her wedding in the facility, so Ikra already has this facility. So if Sayo have this surau, it allows the youth to come together and create events for the youth as well. Also, what Rani said, or I think Tia said, that the Lebanese community have a strong youth, like the Lebanese Muslim Association, the LMA. They own the Lakemba Mosque, and right next to the Lakemba Mosque, there's a gym which is owned by the LMA. And also another Lebanese community, the United Muslims of Australia. They have several facilities where the youth can go to pray and also seek knowledge, but also stay fit, have indoor courts where they can play futsal or basketball as well. So I guess that's my perspective as to why the Surau should be built in Sydney, for the youth to come together, not only the Minang youth, but also the wider community, to collaborate, to inspire, a place to play games and play sports and connect with other Minang youth. Thank you guys for listening.
Thank you.